Hi, I'm Anna the Silva, and I'm doing duck done easy for catering, and I'm doing duck cacciatore, not chicken, but duck. So let's get into it. So for the base of the cacciatore sauce, it's some onion, we've got some thyme, and we've got some bay leaf, red capsicum, some garlic, so we've got some white wine, and bring it to a simmer. We've got the passata, which is nice and smooth, and we bring that all together. Make sure you taste the passata, because that's when you want to season it the best. So then now we put our duck Maryland into the tray, skin side up, pour the beautiful cacciatore sauce all over it, and then we cover it with baking paper and then foil. The reason why I like baking paper is because it doesn't react with the foil, because the tomatoes are acidic. So then we put it into a moderate oven for about 2 hours. The last 20 minutes, I actually like to take the foil off it and the baking paper and let it evaporate and let a bit of caramelization happen with the tomato and the capsicum. Look at that, smells beautiful. You can smell the duck, you can smell the capsicum, the tomato. Now we're ready to dish it up. I'm gonna serve some egg tagliolini with it. So you can serve anything with it. You can serve rice, polenta, any type of pasta, but I love egg because egg is just gonna absorb that sauce and it's just gonna taste amazing. So let's plate it up. Got some other a beautiful pasta here. And then now we've got our duck. Look at that. And you've got even the sauce there, even a bit of the duck fat. It's just delicious. And then some fresh parsley, just to make it even more herbaceous at the end. And there you have it, my duck cacciatore with egg tagliolini, another one tray wonder.